Hello, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Good morning, everyone. We will start soon. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a few more to join. Yeah, and in the meantime, you can mute if you are not speaking. Thank you. Yeah, Santi, I can see your video. I can hear your voice. Everything good. How are you today? Okay, long time never see you again. Okay. Okay. Yes. So, good. Hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, very good. Yeah, so happy to meet you all again. Yeah, from different classes. Okay. Give me 1 minute, yes, because a few people still logging in. Yeah, and then I'm going to start soon. Yes, good morning, everyone. Wait, chat. Where is a chat box? I'm still trying to make myself familiar with this. Okay. Wait, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think we can start now. Total, there are 19. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Welcome, everyone. So I'm so happy that we can have this session started today. Yeah. And first, I would like to explain a little bit the background or reason why we have this session. Yeah. So I received a feedback from some of learners, yeah, maybe you or your classmate, that basically when you try to find job in a BA, then there are some skill gaps. The company asks you to ask about whether you have the. Okay, 1 moment. Kimberly, I thought you logged in already. Yeah, Kimberly. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah, okay. Vijayasri also okay. Okay, guys, one quick things is like this. Because I will be busy teaching or explain to you, then can someone volunteer help me? Yeah, so whenever someone have a problem like need info in the Telegram, can you help me to reply? Yeah, I think uh, yes, I'm speaking now. So all of you can hear me, guys, because Kimberly looks like have a problem in audio. Okay, can, yeah, okay. So can hear. Okay, good, good. Yeah. So who want to? Okay. So either okay, maybe I just pick one of you lah. Yeah. So either uh Annie or Lian. Yeah. So you can help me in the replying the message in the Telegram, like is or in the chat box. Yeah, is Ryan speaking? Yeah, then I just say, yeah, I can hear him. Yeah, okay, I can hear him speaking like that. Yeah, so okay, so I don't have to reply myself. You can help me. Yeah. So Lian or any, yeah, or any other else. Yeah, if quiet, nobody answer, then you can help to uh, reply. So I can focus on my teaching. Okay, can. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, so good morning, everyone. I'm so sorry if I cannot reply your message individually. Like you say thank you, I say welcome. Yeah, you say hello, good morning, then I also say hello, good morning to everyone. And I'm so happy to meet you all again in this session. Okay, so again, back to the reason why I organized this session is basically I received the feedback that when you try to find a job in BA, then there are some requirement like you didn't learn in the course like SQL Server, yeah, and Python, yeah. So that's basically motivate me to provide you with this free training, yeah. And basically, yeah, this I can share with you the vision and the mission of this session. Yeah. So my vision is to build a lifelong learning community in business analyst and also in general information technology. Yeah. So if we start with this SQL Server and Python, this is just the beginning for me. Yeah. So I would like to organize and volunteer, yeah, to build this lifelong learning community. Yeah, if you like learning in IT, either for your hobby or for your job requirement, then you can join. Yeah, basically, I provided this for free. And then here is basically I would like to build a community, meaning that currently or for this first few sessions, yeah, maybe at least SQL Server and Python, I will be teaching. But in the futures, I try to get a few other trainers or my colleagues, yeah, to come and then visit this community and then share the knowledge. Yeah, and also I will encourage you after you work in a BA or IT, yeah, then you have some experience that useful, yeah, for other people that also looking for job or yeah, just any knowledge that you are good, yeah, and then you want to share, then I welcome you to propose or suggest me the topics, and you can teach also to share your knowledge. Yeah, like for example, so far we only learn Power BI, yeah, and then some of you have already used Tableau, and then you want to share your knowledge. Yeah, don't worry about like oh, I'm not very good. Yeah, anything that you can share is already very good. Yeah, so you can discuss with me, then I can give you a time, then we can arrange. So at this moment I'm still thinking the best is during the weekend. Yeah, some of you may be not available because of works or the family commitment, yeah, or other activity, but all of this is recorded. Yeah, so I recorded the session, so you can still enjoy the recording, yeah, or watch the recording at the other time. Yeah, so that's my vision. Yeah, so for the mission for the shorter time is basically I would like to help you to minimize the gap in the getting the business analyst jobs, especially lack of the skill and knowledge in the SQL and the Python. Yeah. So that's the uh, introduction to the vision and the mission. And at this moment, the schedule is on Saturday between 09, yeah, to 10:30. Yeah, so just 90 minutes. Yeah, divided into two sessions because I'm using the free WebEx. Yeah, that maximum only 50 minutes. Yeah, so each session is just 45 minutes, and then stop break 10 minutes. Yeah, after that we continue again the second session. So maybe not much we learn from 90 minutes, but slowly. Yeah, we are not rushing. Yeah, slowly this will be improved. Yeah. And who knows, we can make it longer. Yeah, or yeah, I just add more video, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's the introductions about what is the purpose of this session. Yeah, so in the long term, I've tried to organize or build a community for anyone who would like to learn in IT. And it is not only by me, yeah, but community, meaning that all of you, if you would like, you can participate. Yeah. If not, then just join, then listen, yeah, then yeah, get the knowledge, learn something from this session. Yeah. But if you are interested, you can also uh, volunteer, yeah, to participate. Yeah. Okay. But in the short term, at least I will deliver the training in a SQL Server and Python. So it's maybe in a 1 month. Yeah. So 8 sessions. Not everything, of course, yeah, because SQL Server is also a very big thing. But and at least you will able to minimize the gaps, yeah, in the interview. Yeah, you know already how to get the SQL Server. And if you are interested in certification, you can also try to get the certificate from Microsoft, yeah, in the SQL Server. Okay, any question, guys? Okay, so if you don't have any question, then you can, by the way, unmute yourself. Yeah, if you want to speak or you want to type, then just unmute yourself. Okay, yeah, thank you. So yeah, Lian and Annie, yeah, so you will be my assistant, yeah, in helping me to reply some basic query, yeah, in the chat box or in the Telegram. Yeah. If any question that you can help to answer, like just know Kimberly, Ryan, are you speaking? Yeah, so you can just reply. Yeah, Ryan is speaking. I can hear his voice. Yeah, okay. Okay, so everyone, you have already learned, sorry, watched the video how to install the Azure Data Studio. So by right now, you have already the connection to the this SQL Server. Okay, so I would like to do some introduction. Yeah, how about what is SQL Server? Yeah, so SQL stands for the Standard Query Language. Yeah. Okay, so people sometimes pronounce it as SQL, but some people like when I learn in a Microsoft environment, they pronounce as a SQL, yeah, SQL, Standard Query Language. So this is the NC standard, and there are many products offering the SQL, like SQL Server from Microsoft, yeah, and then the famous one is a Microsoft SQL Server, yeah, and then Oracle, and then IBM DB2, yeah, and then Postgres SQL, and then the many, yeah, MySQL, yeah, and etc. But all of this is using the NC standard, yeah, NC meaning international standard. So the syntax are the same. So this SQL Server itself is a database, yeah, database server where you store the data, and then how to get the data. Then you use this query language. Yeah. Can share login parameters here? Sure. Yeah. Okay. So any important file, yeah, or a text that you can pin in the Telegram. Yeah. I saw send here, and also I send again in the Telegram. So next time you can refer to this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it is database server. And your job as a BA, business analyst, is to retrieve the data, yeah, from this database server. Yeah, and you use SQL, standard query language. Okay, so if the backend server is a SQL Server or Oracle or the IBM DB2, yeah, or MySQL or many other database, don't worry, because you basically using the same syntax. Okay, it is not 100% all compatible, yeah, but I can say 99% compatible. So the command that works in the SQL Server also works in Oracle, in the IBM DB2. Okay, yeah. The command itself, basically what we are going to learn in this 8th session is to learn this syntax, yeah, SQL syntax, how to write the query. Yeah, so the query will be executed in the server, and then we can get what we want. Yeah, because in the database server here, we have the many tables, yeah, relational database, RDBMS, yeah, and so many, but we only need certain information, certain data, yeah. Maybe join with this, yeah, join with that, yeah. So this how to get that data, yeah. Okay, and in general, the Microsoft or the not only Microsoft, yeah, the SQL command or syntax, yeah, divided into three categories. The first is we call it as a DDL. DDL is a data definition language. Okay, and then the second is a DML or data manipulation language. Okay, and then DCL, yeah, data control language. Okay, what the difference? Yeah, the difference is DDL is a definition. Yeah, so definitions will include the command such as the create. Okay, maybe I continue here better. Okay, the syntax is create and then drop. Yeah, and then this one data manipulation language is select. I try to mute all. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, if you want to speak, you can unmute yourself. Select after that. This is to read the data, and then insert, yeah, to add the data, and then delete, yeah, to delete the record, yeah, and then select, insert, delete, read, edit, yeah, yeah. So update, yeah. Okay, and the other one, the DCL is a data control language. This is more into the permission. You have the grant, and then deny, and then revoke. Okay, and then yep. So here in the PA job, your role is not maintaining the database or not administering the database, but mostly to get the data from the database. Yeah. So we more into the DML, data manipulation language, and especially this select statement. Okay. Select statement is to read the data. Or sometimes when you learn about the database, then you learn also about the Crud, yeah, Crud operation, yeah. So let's look into the web, yeah. Then I show you, for example, Crud, yeah. Crud operation. Okay, yeah. So what is CRUD? Yeah, CRUD operation. Yeah, CRUD is basically C, create, read, update, and delete. Yeah, and this related with the database operation. This one is create, and then read, and then update, and delete. Okay, so create is a link to this. Yeah, insert. Yeah, and then read is a select, and then update is update, and delete is delete. Okay, so we try to cover this four, yeah, but our focus is in the select. Yeah, our focus is on select. Okay, so that's the introduction about the different type of command in the SQL. And although I'm teaching based on what crossed in my mind, yeah, I already teach this course many times, yeah, but I will give you two materials that help you in your free time if you want to spend more. Yeah. So if you just listen, you just practice what you learn from this is enough. Yeah. But if you would like to learn more, then I give you the reference W3 School, yeah, SQL. Okay. So here, this one is yeah, this one. Yeah. This one is a free, yeah, and very nice. Okay, so you can learn about the many command. Yeah. So this the link I give you. Okay. So I need Lian or any or anyone else, yeah, that take the notes, all the link that I share with you in during the session, and later after finish, then you can compile and share in the groups. Yeah. So thanks for your help. Yeah. Okay. This you can step by step. Yeah. SQL intro, the syntax. Yeah. Okay. You follow this. Yeah. Okay. Select statement. Yeah. That's the most important. Yeah. And then you can practice. Yeah. Okay. That's the first. Yeah. This I don't remember that this one SQL Server Certificate. Yeah, you can do the exercise. Yeah, then after that the SQL certificate. Okay, so you have to. I think you have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay. Okay, fee $95. Exam 70 question. Yeah. Okay, this is the first supplement. Yeah, this the first supplement materials. Yeah. So you have this. The second is from the Microsoft, similar like the course that you took last time. Yeah, the EDX. Yeah, DAT 201. Okay, this one is also free. Yeah, if you just come to join as to review the course, yeah, then it is free. Okay, so you need to create the account. If you don't have the account, you can register. Okay, I can log on with my Gmail. Oh, sorry. I think they now charge. Yeah. We are excited to share the news that we have moved on from our non-profit roots to expand as part of the one of the world's leading education technology company. Uh, okay, let's see. Last time this one was free. I I haven't. Yeah. I think still free. When you enroll, yeah. Okay. You see, start the course. Yeah. So most of the topics that I'm using referring to this. Yeah. Section module. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so enrollment date is August 6 and then September 17. Yeah, so about 5 weeks. Okay, and also final assessment. If you want to get certificate, yeah, then you can pay $100 US. Then they will give you a certificate. Of course, after you complete the final exam. Yeah, there is an exam for this. Okay, so I give you the link. Okay, so Annie, Lian, yeah, so you please compile the link that I share later. We can share with everyone in the class. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. I saw Sheila is already in. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let me just introduce Sheila. Sheila is the one that basically trigger this community. Yeah. I mean, she came to me about her experience trying to get a job in BA, but the requirement is SQL and Python. Yeah. So then after that, I cannot stop thinking then how to help you. Yeah. And then I just come out with this idea because I can teach, but the only problem is you already completed your course. Then yeah, why not we have a free sessions every weekend? Yeah. Then you can learn something. Yeah. Okay, so Sheila, just now maybe you came a bit late. I share with the class the mission and the vision. Yeah, so the vision is also for you who came late. Yeah, so my vision is to build a lifelong learning community in business analyst and also in the information technology in general. Yeah, but the short term, the short goal is to provide you with a skill in SQL Server and Python. Okay, to complete your skill in getting the BA job. Or if you already have the job, then to add the more knowledge and skill. Yeah. Okay. So I encourage you, some of you, yeah, who have like currently we already have a plan. I already have the materials for this too. Yeah, but if you have experience using the Tableau, yeah, then you want to share, then you discuss with me. Yeah, you can share your knowledge. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's the two things that you can learn more, yeah, two courses, yeah, in the W3 school and also in the EDX, and both are free, yeah. So we try to provide everything free, yeah. Okay, that's the, okay, let's start, yeah. So you understand that SQL Server is a big thing, yeah, or not SQL Server, but the SQL in general, because SQL Server is the product from the Microsoft. Yeah. I always referring to the SQL Server because mostly the course that I teach is a Microsoft, but there are many SQL product, yeah, like Oracle, IBM DB2. So you learn one in the SQL Server in Microsoft, yeah, you will be able to use the query in the other product, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and so on. Yeah. Okay, so there are many things. Yeah, you learn about the database job profile. Yeah, so you have the DB admin. Yeah, and then a DB developer, and then a DB others. Yeah, business intelligence. Yeah, but we restrict or we limit ourselves in this. Yeah, learning the DML, data manipulation language. Okay, so we're going to start connecting to the our database server. So the environment that currently we have is like this. Yeah, we have a cloud. Okay, this is Azure cloud. Okay, and then I have the database server I already created in the Azure. Okay, the name is Learn SQL. Yeah, this one. The name is Learn SQL server dot database dot windows dot net. This is the name of the server. Okay, and then inside this server, at this moment, I managed to get this free, yeah, but maybe in the future, if more people accessing, then I will just invest some money to make this better performance. Yeah. Okay, and I create a database inside this SQL Server. Yeah, so the name is AdventureWorks LT. Yeah. So inside this, I have a database. You can have many database in one server, but at this moment, I just create one. Yeah, which is the name is AdventureWorks LT database. This is a database. Yeah. Okay. So inside this, there are many table. We can create a custom table, but I'm using the common table that database that I use for the course. Yeah. So all of you are here. Yeah. You are user. Yeah. That use your laptop. Yeah. For example, this is Sheila. This is Annie. Yeah. This is the Lian. This is the Prani or others. Yeah. Or Shanti. Yeah. All of you are connecting like this. Yeah. From your laptop. Okay. So you can connect with tools, and the tools that we are using now is the Azure Data Studio. Guys, someone you remind me, help me to remind me before 9:45. Yeah, if I forgot closing 9:45 because we're going to stop. Yeah, so it will automatically close because I'm using the free account. Yeah, so 9:45 we close the first session. After that, have a 10 minutes break. Then after that, I open again the second session. Yeah. Okay, so you install the Azure Data Studio, but that's not the only tools you can use. Yeah, there are many. Yeah, and one of them is the Power BI. Yeah, Power BI also can connect directly to the this database server. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to show you the demo connecting to the Power BI. But at this moment, we use these tools first. Yeah, Azure Data Studio. If you have not installed, please read the message in the Telegram, and I already shared with you a video to uh, install your Azure Data Studio to connect to this. Yeah. Okay. So what is inside the database? Many table. The information is stored as a RDBMS or Relational Database Management System. Okay. So in the RDBMS, the data are stored in the multiple table. Like for example, customer table, order table, supplier table, and then the product table, and so on. Yeah. And then you learn about the star schema. Yeah. So you have the fact table, you have the dim table. Yeah. So this could be a link like that. Yeah. Could be link like that. Yeah. Could be link like that. Okay. With the foreign key and the a primary key. Yeah. So then after that, you run the query. Okay, so to pull the data, meaning reading the data, you use the select. But you also may want to update the data, yeah, to bring back this data to the manipulated or appended or deleted data back to this server. Yeah, then you have the command insert update and delete. Okay, yeah. One more thing about terminology that you also will often hear in your works is between the OLTP and OLAP. Yeah, OLTP and OLAP. Anyone know what is OLTP? What is OLAP? Okay, I just used the text. Okay, so OLTP is a okay, good. Yeah, Sela, thanks. Yeah, so Juni had created email address. We can create a share folder in. Okay, get. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. This will be better. Yeah. So online. Uh, is June in today? Sela, June is not here. Yeah. Okay. Online transactional processing. Okay. Yep. I didn't see just now. I also looking for her and for you. Online processing. Okay, and then OLAP is the online analytical processing. What the difference? Yeah, the difference is like this. For example, you go to the bank. Yeah, so we have a bank here, and then after that, you deposit the money. Yeah, so this is a bank. You come to the bank, and then after that, you deposit the money. Then the teller will help you to do the transaction. Yeah. So the teller, when they update your balance and receive your money, yeah, then they do the OLTP, yeah, to update the server. Okay, so you come to the bank and deposit the money. That's the OLTP. Or you go to ATM and then withdraw the money. When you withdraw the money, then the ATM will update your balance, yeah, in the server. That's OLTP. Okay. Now, how about the OLAP? Yeah, OLAP is like this. Yeah, for example, every week your BA, yeah, or the business intelligence analyst, yeah, then would like to see the transactions weekly, monthly, yeah. So that's a OLAP for the analytical. So the difference is OLTP is normally a transaction, yeah, one record, two records updated, yeah. But the OLAP is the analytical is a batch, yeah. Like you have the 100,000 customer, you pull the data 100,000 the data, then you pull, then you write a query to analyze. You want to get the statistic like the mean, the median, uh, the highest transaction, or the how much transaction per branch, for example. Yeah. So that's analytical. Okay. So looking at the back, this DML, the DML, yeah, we have four syntax, right? The Crud, yeah, remember the Crud, the DML is equal to the Crud, yeah. So you have the select and then insert and then update, also delete, yeah. So which one is OLAP, which one is OLTP? Normally the OLAP is more into the select, yeah, reading without modifying your database, because you want to do the data analysis. This data is already in the past. Yeah, I want to see the monthly performance. I want to see the weekly. All the data is in the past. Yeah, so the OLAP is using the past data, but the OLTP is using the current data. Yeah, they use this all. Yeah, selecting the record. Yeah, and then insert the record to create a new customer, update the balance, and then delete. Yeah, the transaction or the customer. But the OLAP is more into the analytical. Yeah, so the OLAP is with the current data. sorry, OLTP, yeah, current data, but the OLAP is with the past data. Okay, yeah. So I think that's enough for the introduction. Now we going to go to the Azure Data Studio. Yeah. So here we already have the connection, and if your server is connected correctly, you see this green. Yeah. This green meaning your server is connected. Yeah. So this is the server that we're going to use. Yeah. So in this server, as I mentioned, there are many tables. Okay. So you expand the tables, then you will see a few tables. Yeah. Some of them are the customer and product. Yeah. I'm going to use this customer and product. So in the customer, I want to see what are the column that I have in the customer. Yeah, because the table consists of like this. Yeah. So we have the row and column. This is table. Okay. Yeah. This is column. This is row. Okay. Some of the column that we have is here customer ID, yeah, and then a first name, middle name, last name. Okay. The syntax for the query to the this one is very easy. Yeah? The first thing you need to make sure that we connect, yeah, to the database. Yeah, we connect first, yeah, using this learn SQL. Yeah, then connect. So this query, you will see the connection status. Yeah, currently is connecting to this. Yeah, make sure that you connect it. Yeah, and then I write the query. Yeah, normally the query is in a capital. You type you can put in a lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter, but the common is a capital. Yeah, select. Yeah, if you don't know the column name, yeah, for the easier, then you just put a star. Yeah, star. Yeah, star meaning all the column. Yeah, from. Okay, then after that the table name, which is the sales LT customer. Yeah, so you can type sales LT dot customer. Yeah, so it will autocomplete. Yeah, like this. Okay, sales LT dot customer. Select star. Yeah, then you highlight this. Yeah, then click run. Okay, then I got the query written by the server. Yeah, this is the all the column. Okay, from the sales LT customer. But I don't need everything. I just need to get the first name and okay, thank you, Annie. Yeah, yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, less than 5 minutes. So I type the select. Okay, here in the customer table, I have the first name, middle name. Yeah, so I just put like this, first name, comma, last name. Yeah, from sales LT customer. I can also copy this. Yeah. Okay, then you select the line number 4, then run. So now I only see the two column. Yeah. Okay, this very slow, taking very low, very slow. Yeah, one moment. So if suddenly this session is terminated, yeah, then you will be connecting with the same link, yeah, at the 9:55. Yeah, 9:55. Okay, you see two column, yeah, only this. If I'm lazy or if I don't want to type, yeah, I can use like this. Select, yeah. After that, I drag this in the customer. Yeah, maybe we use a product now. Yeah. So in the product, I have the product name. Yeah, I drag here name. Yeah. Okay, comma. After that, the color. Yeah, for example, and then list price. Okay. Then from this, you drag this. Okay. So you highlight this. After that, run. sorry, sales LT name. Okay, this one is yeah, last time I don't need to I didn't include this one, but now include this one. Okay, never mind. So this sales LT you remove, yeah, from the column name, then it should be okay now. Yeah. So that's if you would like to use the drag and drop, yeah, you don't want to type yourself, yeah. Yes, the command is similar to access, yeah. And you don't have to worry about the space, yeah, or the new line like this. I can also put like this. I can also put like this, yeah. So this will be executed as a single line, as long as you don't put the semicolon here, yeah. Semicolon here meaning this is the end of the line, yeah. So I can put the with the space, yeah, or I put the color with like this, yeah. Sorry, the capital letter, yeah. Okay, like this, yeah. It's the same, yeah. So the default SQL, the SQL setting is case insensitive. But when you create a database, you can specify that you want to make it case sensitive. Eh, so strange, huh? Why is still allow me to run? Okay, I thought the maximum is 50 minutes. Okay, let's check the. Okay, recording is in progress. Okay, so that's a very short introduction about the select statement. Yeah, later after this, I'm going to more deeper, yeah, about how to write the query. Okay, and yeah, a lot of things. Yeah, it's impossible to cover that in a very short time. Yeah, but this month we're going to learn about the SQL a lot. Yeah. Okay, 49 minutes, 25 seconds. Okay, so we still have 35 seconds. Because of this is the first time I use the trial account, then I just continue until this terminated itself. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to explain to you what is the meaning of this bracket. Yeah. This bracket is useful when you have the column name with the space between. Yeah, like this, for example, the column is a first name like this. Yeah? So you see like first and name, two different column. Yeah? You put that here in the square bracket like this. So that means that this first name is the column name. Of course, I will recommend you when you create a table, don't use the space in the middle. Yeah, so you can put the underscore, or you can put the you just put like this. Yeah, that's better. But in case you have the column with the space in between, yeah, then you must put that into the square bracket, yeah, to indicate that this is actually one name. Okay, yeah. Okay, then what else is yeah, the select statement, the in general is select, yeah, the command, and then followed by the column list, yeah, and then from table name. Okay, so I put here column list. Okay, and then from table name, this is the basic, yeah, and the column list separated with comma. Okay, from table. Later we have a option, yeah, like where, yeah, to filter, yeah, and then yeah, you also have the order by to sort, yeah. Okay, sort column, yeah. Okay, and then we also have the uh, yeah, like join union, yeah, etc. Okay, we're going to learn about that, yeah. And always good to keep the comment, yeah. So whenever you write the query, then other people can understand what the meaning of the query, what is the purpose of the query. Yeah, so you put the comments in the double dash. Yeah, double dash like this. Yeah, is meaning the comment. Yeah, this is a comment. Okay, you can also put like this. This is also a comment. Okay, so double dash is a comment. You can put in a separate line, or you can put in the end of the line. Yeah, but you cannot put the comment like this. Wrong comment, because if you put like this, then this will be treated as a comment. So you have to put in the separate line like this. Okay. If you have more than one line to be commented, then you can use like this slash star. Yeah, and then after that star slash. Okay, so all inside this block are treated as a comment. Okay. Yeah, so strangely, still the session is still ongoing. Okay. Okay, in that case, then I will stop. Yeah, then let's have a 10 minutes break. Yeah, as a plan, and then we're going to continue at the 10 o'clock. Yeah, so I go to washroom quickly. Then after that, I will come back again to help you if you have any question. Yeah, but for the lesson, we are going to continue at 10 o'clock. Yeah, and today we're going to finish at 10:45. And yeah, so we wait until this terminated itself. But I'm also surprised, yeah, because Cisco in the website say that the free account only can create 50 minutes. Yeah, but until now still ongoing. Yeah. Okay, never mind. So in that case, I can have one single recording for today. Okay, I will be back soon, and we're going to continue the lesson at 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Can you all hear me again? Yes, yeah, okay. So, someone informed me that first month is free. Okay, and then next one is 50 minutes. Okay, good. So let me check if I can make some of you to become the co-host. Okay, wait, Oh, yellow. Okay, looks like uh, the first one is free, and then I can designate some of you to help me to become the co-host. So if someone in the what do you call in the meeting in the waiting room, yeah, so you can help me to admit them in. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then assign privilege to yeah, chat to everyone. Okay, good. So you can chat to everyone. Okay. Okay. So Sheila and Annie, I make you as a co-host. So what you can help me is whenever anyone in the meeting room, yeah, you can in the waiting room, yeah, you can help to admit. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. But no, cannot. I try. Change the role. Make the co-host cannot. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, can. I notice. Can already. Okay, good. Yeah. So next month I can create another free account. Okay. So yep. I transfer some co-hosts to Annie and Sheila, so you can help me to admit if someone is waiting in a waiting room. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So okay, let's continue. Yeah. If you write a query for practice or you want to do something, then sometimes you want to save it so next time you can open again. Yeah. So you can click the file after it save. Yeah. So save. Yeah. Then you can save the query. Then you can call again. Yeah. Okay, for example, I delete everything, yeah, then or just use this, yeah. I want to save this, yeah. You can also right click, no, you cannot save here, yeah. So you can go to file, after it, save as, yeah. Okay, then you can go to, for example, I already create the learn SQL here. So SQL query one, yeah, save it, yeah. Okay, after I save, then I close. So next time I want to open again the query that I created before. Yeah. So you can open file or you can also here file. Yeah. After that open file, go to the location. The file is stored as a .sql.
Ryan, you are
Yes.
not sharing your screen.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. So I'm sharing my Google. Okay. Okay. Understand. The meeting will end for all participants in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. So in that case, then I will repeat again, and I just maybe instead of stop 5 minutes and reconnect, then I will stop now. Yeah, I will stop now. Then I will open again. Then you can join again. Right? Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, but now I'm going to stop. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to stop the session. And then all of you will rejoin again. Okay, sorry, yeah. So now it's I think only 1 hour plus. Yeah, cannot. Okay. So you connect with the same. You connect with the same link. Okay, I disconnected now.